Hi there everybody, today I am back at Mobil Silverstream, Ferguson Drive, and this ticket means it's car wash time. Now this is the second time that I've filmed at this location this year, but when I filmed here a few months ago, it still had the Washtec SoftCare Intro, the last one of its kind in the Wellington region. But in that video, I did mention that they were replacing it soon with a touchless car wash, which they have now done. And it is a PDQ Laserwash 360plus. And we're going to go through it in just a moment. It's actually been operating for about 4 or 5 weeks now. I just haven't had a lot of time recently to come over here and go through the car wash, but we will do that in just a moment. I was actually in two minds about whether to film this laser wash, because this one doesn't have laser glow on it. So laser glow, for those of you who don't know, is basically the multicolored lights that you can have at the top of the machine, which is an optional extra. And Mobil did put laser glow on their 2017 and 2018 laser washes, but sadly they haven't been installing it on any of their machines from 2019 onwards. But never mind, maybe next time I do a laser wash I might do one with laser glow. But anyway, I thought I'd do this one because there's been a lot of interest in this car wash since my last video here, and I think a lot of people have been keen for me to see to come and film the new car wash. So yeah, let's head over to the wash bay and let's go check it out. Okay, so there it is, the new 360 Plus. There's nobody using it today, so other than me. So nice and quick. Okay, good, I can reach the code box without getting out. 61844. Let's get the window up before we go forward. So I need to go slow because that will do the undercarriage wash. The door's coming down at the front. Need to put my wipers on, otherwise I can't see the bloody sign. Still wants me to come forward. Here we go, stop, in park. Let's get the engine off. Here we go. And like I said, no laser glow on this one, just a basic laser wash. 360 Plus. It's got overglow, I think, in there. You can see the LED lights flashing at the top, but not laser glow. So you can already see from the wash arm that this is a 360 Plus, because this, certainly the vertical bit of the wash arm, is a little bit thicker and fatter than it is on the classic Laserwash 360. There's actually a couple of regular 360s in Wellington now that actually have the new 360 Plus wash arm on them. I have been through the classic Laserwash 360 at Porirua Caltex, but that was a number of years ago. Okay, coming back. But this is my first ever 360 Plus. So I've got the $18 wash, top wash package. So it's $1 more expensive than it for the top wash than it was in the Washtec. Whether or not it'd be worth it, I don't know. I mean, overall, I tend to find that touchless car washes don't clean as well as a brush car wash does. But I do find touchless car washes a heck of a lot of fun, though. But I get a bit bored with them in Wellington because all of the touchless car washes in Wellington are PDQs. We don't have any Ryco Radiuses or Wash Worlds in Wellington, sadly. So we're all foamed up. I'm just going to have some of my drink. Macca's. McDonald's drink. There's a McDonald's next door to this petrol station. Here we go. High pressure. actually very quiet. Now I have actually, besides the classic laser wash. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, I like this. Yep, that's cool. Like that. Triple foam now. Well, not very triple-y, is it? Mostly blue. I think the triple foam needs refilling on this machine, but especially on that side. Oh, that's interesting. It's starting going the other way. That's interesting. So I have actually done a PDQ Laserwash 4000 as well, which was actually the last touchless car wash I filmed. So it's interesting going through the Laserwash 4000 and then going through the modern day equivalent, which is the 360plus. Because obviously the Laserwash 4000 is where it all started. Oh wow, drying time, really? So it does not have swing air. Not much in the way of spot free. I've seen better from 360 pluses, I must say. I have seen better. So you notice that there's no door at the back, but there is one at the front. There has to be a door at the front of the wash bay so that all of your water, which is chemically infused as well, doesn't spray out onto the road. So you can see the thing that holds the machine up, because it's a freestanding system. Right, let's get the camera down, seatbelt on. I have to say that this was much quicker than I thought it was going to be. Out we go. So yeah, so like I said, I've done the Laserwash 4000, sort of the original laser wash. And then obviously the Laser 4000 sort of evolved into the M5. And then that evolved into the 360, which evolved into the 360 plus. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? That was pretty cool. I think we had a good time doing that. So nice to try out the latest version of the laser wash, having previously done the original laser wash. So I'll just leave the engine going. I'm only going to be here for a minute. So that was pretty cool. I think that was it was interesting. I mean, it's a touchless car wash. It's never going to be as good at cleaning the car as a brush system, but it was fun. I didn't see much in the way of spot-free rinsing on that, unless I just wasn't paying attention. Certainly not programmed the same way I've seen other 360 pluses on YouTube set up. And also, it definitely needs to have its triple foam topped up. But otherwise, that was a fun experience, and you know, it's around the quality level that I would expect from Mobil. You know, I don't. You know, if you want a proper premium car wash, then go to BP or go to Z and go through a Washtec SoftCare. If you want proper premium car washing, but for what you get from Mobil, it's all right. So yeah, that was fun, and yeah, that's it.